Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video, we'll be looking at the amazing spikes trading strategy for boom and crash. Okay, if you guys have been looking for an easy way to trade spike, how to know the exact time that the trend will change into spike, that will give you spike trading opportunity, then you need to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to share with you how you can go about it, step by step guide on how you can go about it. But before then, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Card. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online. So feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. Make sure you grab a few tips there and practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. This is very vital and important. Okay, so and if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you have any question about any of my videos, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. Probably you would like to know about my trading strategy, or maybe you want to know about my trading tools. Feel free to contact me. I will reply you as soon as possible. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now, because that is the only way you can be notified each time I upload a new video like this. And also, just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it and set it to all notification, so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into the market to check out what is happening in the market for boom 1000. Is going back on uptrend. You can see the signal indicator indicating the blue line, okay, changing from yellow line to blue line. It's going back on uptrend. Let's check out crash 1000. For crash 1000, as you can see, it was crashing down before, but right now it is at a support level. We got our buy signal here. I'm using the crusher indicator here. You can see the green region here confirming it, so it's going back on uptrend at the moment. This actually gave us 16-minute candles. Okay, that is amazing. Check out boom 500. For boom 500, it's been on a very long downtrend. You can see it's been on a very long downtrend, but right now it has gotten to the trend has actually changed. Okay, how do I know if it has changed? You can see the trend indicator here showing us that the trend is going back on uptrend. So you can see there is an invisible spike here after the exit arrow, that is the buy arrow popping out. Yeah, right now there is another one, another buy arrow popping out here, so you should experience another spike any moment from now. So trade carefully if you must trade this. Okay, let's check out crash 500. Crash 500 is trying to see if it will break down, if it will break out from the resistance level and continue the uptrend. If it does not, then it should reverse back totally on downtrend. Okay, I'll be stopping there with my analysis. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. So let's move on to the trading platform to see what we have for today. Okay, let's see what we have for today. Right now, like I said, that we will be looking at amazing spikes trading strategy for boom and crash. Okay, I believe you guys have been looking for an opportunity to trade boom and spikes. I believe you have been looking for an opportunity to trade spikes in boom and crash. Okay, so this is an opportunity for you to know how to go about it. But there are some few things I need to let you know before you start doing this. For you to trade boom and crash, spikes in boom and crash, then you need to know how it works. Okay, you need to be used to red. Okay, so once you see red, there is no way you trade spikes without seeing red first before it will go into blue. Okay, you can place an order and it will go against you for like a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes before it will start spiking. Okay, and in some cases whereby support or resistance are broken, that means you might be in it for a very long time. Okay, so in some cases, most traders will open another order to complement the one they have opened in the initial they have opened before. Okay, so these are some of the things that you need to know. Okay, so in order to avoid being trapped in the market for a very long time, then you need to know how to go about it. So let's check out how to go about it. I'm using the QDC scraper indicator. I'm using this because it helps us to know, it gives us a clear direction of the market and helps us to prepare ahead of the market or of the changes that may likely occur in the market. Okay, right now we can see that the general trend of the market, which is the one in the third indicator window now, is giving us an uptrend arrow, which means that we should be getting ready to buy. Okay, so where should we come in to place our order? Okay, once we get this uptrend arrow, then we should come in somewhere here to place our order. Okay, once we see the buy signal arrow here. Okay, as soon as you see the buy signal arrow here, place your buy order immediately. Okay, remember this is 5-minute time frame, so I will advise you to set your account up to 5-minute time frame. So place your buy order here immediately. Once you do that, check it out. Check the way it has been spiking on the 4 MA candles. Can you see that? Check the way it has been spiking on the 4 MA candle. So now let's check it out if it will actually lead us into profit or not. You can actually leave this for a very long time. Let's say you decide to come in on this candle and let's see the end of the trend. Okay, the trend ended here. It ended here on this candle. Okay, so now let's analyze it together. Are we in profit or not? You can see that we are in profit. This is amazing. Despite that there are some pullbacks that happened in between, it still led us to profit. So this is amazing. You can do this for a very long time. Let's check out crash also. Let's see if it works with crash. Okay, let's see if it works with crash. Okay, I hope I find one. Okay, good. Okay, this is one. This one is still going. We got our sell signal from, the trend signal, the downtrend signal from here. So like I said, you will have to wait for the sell signal on the main chart. This is where the sell signal on the main chart came out from. So what you should do is to place your order on this candle where you have your sell signal. Okay, place your order on it. Okay, let's check out the trend is still going. It is not yet it is still going on downtrend. Okay, so we are yet to end the trend. So for now it will still keep on crashing till the end of this trend. So that is just the way it works. Check it out. If you had come in here, check out the crashes that happened here and check it out. It even went down here again. So that is the way it works. You can easily milk the market successfully with this. So I'll be stopping here right now. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen, and also if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.